How's it going, guys? Nas here. You're watching Shelby Street Diecast, and it's time to keep going down the line on the next one. Last video we did this bad boy. Very happy with it. Still hoping to find a metal engine for this guy, but it rolls. This one was an epic. Hopefully you guys check out that video. But yeah, that was not easy. It's I did a metal swap. I did a wheel swap on this. It had really crappy plastic wheels on it before. Now they have real riders, rubber tires, deep dish, chrome 5 spokes, really beautiful freaking rims. It's a green Spectraflame, and yeah, I had to do a whole lot of filing on the base itself to get these wheels to freaking fit in there, because they were just a little bit not enough. So yeah, so that was the previous video. If you're interested, check that out, the 32 Ford. And today we're doing something else, so that's out of the way. Alright, today we're gonna be doing something else. So this is what I have lined up. It's 3 Ferraris there. I'm not doing the green one. I'm actually gonna get that out of the lineup just because I can't find the right wheels for that. I do need the right wheels for this Corvette, but that can be there because, I don't know, I'm kind of giving up on that one. Anyway, okay guys, so today, I think today, I'm gonna go for this. The Chevy SS. This is the 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. So this is a 50-year-old car, guys. The car itself, not the toy. The toy, does it say when it was made? 2012, there you go. So, but yeah, I really like this. I picked this up at a flea market. Can we focus, please? Thank you. Picked this up at a flea market. It was on blister. It was brand new. And yeah, so I really don't like these wheels. I think they're garbage. So I'm gonna put these wheels on it. They're rubber. They say Goodyear tires on it. And these are off of a NASCAR car that I also got at a flea market for like 25 cents. So 25 cents set of wheels. Let's do it. Alright. This was a nightmare. Hopefully this one won't be. So let's do it. Okay, let's get this down to our work area. Okay, so first thing I'm noticing that's wrong here is these wheels are too narrow. That was the problem with my 32 Ford in the last video. So honestly, I think I'm gonna save these for something else, because I was thinking about, put that there, let's make it nice, there we go. Let's look at my bag of wheels here. I was thinking of all black, possibly. I'm thinking these puppies, huh? Nice standard premium rubber tires from Hot Wheels. I think this is from a Lamborghini. So yeah, I was also thinking these, the yellow ones, just because the car's purple and yellow look great. Let's see, are these really, are they wide enough? These are also too freaking narrow. So, these are way too wide, and I think they're perfect for this car because this car is way too wide. So yeah, let's go with the black. I think that's a much better choice. Alright. Let's get the drilling. Cool. And here we go. I think I need a new bit. This used to just snap the ring right off of them. Now it's like taking forever. Yeah, no, still in there. There we go. Yeah, that did not go where I wanted it to go. Yeah. Fuck. I think a new drill bit's in order. Fuck, man, I hate it. I hate it when that happens. I really like clean freaking base. Yeah, I really don't like when I mess it up like that. I hate that. I like a nice clean freaking hole. But okay. Alright, let's try it again here. Yep. There we go. Cool. That part's over with. Alright, let's take that off. The base. Oh, I'm not messing with anything there, so I'm just gonna leave that here upside down. I need, for the plastic bases, so if it's a metal base, like if you watched my last video with the Ford, you would be able to see that I had to clip one of the metal things off because they don't move. But with these, all I have to do is just bend it back a little bit and it's out. So I really like that. Wow, I literally drilled one of those off. How messed up was that? Okay. Cool. Don't care about those wheels. They suck. So we're gonna not keep them. We're gonna put them in the trash. Alright, putting on the wheels here. Give it a quick little bend just because nothing's really holding it back. I might even give it a little glue dollop in there just to make sure we don't get any accidentes. I really like this. All you have is one seat and fire extinguisher, some tools. It's all you need when you're racing. Alright, there we go. That one snapped nice and easy. Bend that thing right back in there. Cool. Alright guys, let's see. Yeah. Oh yeah. You know what? That was a very happy accident. I'm kind of happy that I didn't put the NASCAR wheels on here. Definitely looks better with these, and they're like perfect wide. Look at that. Like they're perfect for this car. Just as wide as a Lambo. Yeah, that looks cool, man. Alright guys. Well, that's another one done. I'm gonna put this on a rotisserie for you, let you check it out. And that's it for this episode. Nice and quick. Love it when that works out. Unlike that damn 32 Ford right there. It still watches me and taunts me. It's like, I made you work on me for half an hour. Bitch. God, that's an evil car, man. She sure as hell looks good, though. Alright. That's cool, man. I like this a lot. Man, guys, I'm telling you, if you don't have enough money for a premium, just go to the flea market and look for old premium cars with nice wheels. Buy it for $1 and boom, you have yourself a set of wheels and put it on the car that you really like. Because this is freaking cool. Alright, rotisserie time. Alright guys, there it is. Beautiful 1970s freaking SS. I honestly never seen this casting before. Like, you know, I'm in the Hot Wheels world or whatever. I look at these things. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get rid of that Hot Wheels emblem. It's kind of rubbed off. I don't like that. But yeah, I've never seen this really beautiful freaking design. I love the wide body. A lot of customizers right now are actually doing that to their customs. I didn't have to bother. All I had to do is do this sweet, sweet freaking wheel swap that fits. Man, I love it. Well, guys, let me know down in the comments below. What do you think of this? You think I did a good job? Good wheels, hopefully. So, yeah. But, yeah, other than that, thanks for watching. That's it for me. This channel right here, Shelby Street Diecast, is just for this. It's me messing around with Hot Wheels, doing little wheel swaps or customizing them, maybe painting them a little bit here and there. Me and my friend Andre of the First 117, also YouTube channel, we are doing a whole lot of really sweet customs. he has a shop that does powder coating, so we started to do powder coat customs like this, and then I resealed them on blister. So yeah, what do you think of this? All white, powder coated white freaking bone shaker with some white wheels with black skulls on it. The before, let me show you the before. I think I have it somewhere here. The before was this car. So there you go, before and after. And it's not paint, it's powder coat. So we have to strip the paint, then we have to sandblast it, then we polish it, then we do powder coating, and then I take this thing, I paint the base black, I switch the wheels, and seal it back up into a blister, and I think it looks badass. So yeah, if you're interested in anything like that, let me know. We have many to choose from. I can send you some photos, but yeah. Anyway, for now, that's it. There's our super awesome custom that we worked on today. I appreciate you guys hanging out and watching this with me. And yeah, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video. Oh no, the evil one's back. That's not good. Shit. Alright guys, live long and prosper. My name's Naz. Don't be assholes. Bye. Let's get this going. I kept staring at it, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna paint the base black and do headlight details. So, here we go. See that bottom scoop? That used to be just plastic gray. And the headlights are also painted, and the hood clips are also painted. So there you go. Much better now. You can't really tell, but there you go. This was all gray. Just that the pipes here a little bit. Painted those gray again. But yeah. There we go. Put a little dab of glue in there too, naturally. Keep that base on. But there we go. Totally needed the headlights, by the way. That did not look good without them. I mean, the chrome's nice, and I mean, the grill's chrome and the bumper's chrome, so that makes sense. And that bottom lip is now black. That gray did not look good, by the way. Like, I was like, dude. This gray here is on the body itself, so yeah. So yeah, there you go. Nice black down here. I might do little red stripes there for the indicators or whatever, light indicators. But yeah, cool, man. Okay guys, have to give you a little update. Done deal. Let's get rid of this pube. Go away. Why? Hair just sticks to these things. Alright. Cool. Alright guys, I'm really gonna go this time. Thanks.